Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something special for you. My top 5 tips for learning English fast. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to level up, these tips will make a huge difference. These are the tips that I used when I was learning a language. So grab a notebook and get ready because tip number 1 is a game changer. When I was learning French, I struggled to find videos where people spoke slowly so I could attempt to understand them. So an idea came to me to watch meditation and yoga videos in French. It felt like a breakthrough as I could understand much more. And as a bonus, I got to do yoga and meditations. It also became a habit that I still continue to practice many years later. If you could try to incorporate an English yoga or meditation into your weekly routine, I think you will reap the benefits. I will add a meditation on this channel soon, so look out for that. The next tip I have is to join an app that allows you to chat to someone in English. I joined Tandem. I would only recommend this for adults and be careful to follow the safety guidelines. I spoke with a lady in Paris on a weekly basis. It helped with my listening and speaking skills. We would chat in French and English, and we would give each other tips and help each other when we got stuck. It was so much fun, and it helped my confidence to use the language. I couldn't recommend it highly enough. The next tip I have for you is to slow down any video on YouTube that you are interested in. To say 0.75 or even 0.5. I used to put these videos on when I was doing the dishes or the laundry or just doing some housework around the house. They may not sound quite as natural as someone purposely speaking a bit slower in the language like I am now, but it was still very helpful, and I really enjoyed this experience. It certainly helped level up my French, like I hope it will level up your English. When you are watching Netflix or something similar, always try to have the subtitles in English. I really think this will help. When I was learning a language, whatever I was watching, I would always have my target language subtitles on. Even if you are watching a movie in your home language, if you have the English subtitles on, you will be amazed at how many new English phrases and vocabulary that you pick up. I would highly recommend this. The final tip I have for you after learning a language myself is to try to start thinking in your target language. In your case, this would be English. Even if you are only at a beginner's level, when you can, just try to have a little think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to form sentences, describe your surroundings, or plan your day in English. It might feel tricky at first. I know it did for me. But with practice, it will become second nature. And it's a total game changer for speaking fluently. Another thing I liked about doing this is that it was just me. I had no one to feel embarrassed in front of. I just practiced in my head or out loud, quietly in a room. I hope that these tips have helped you as much as they have helped me. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in Slow English with Jules. See you later.